Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphics hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So this is a possible cause. AMD software installer terminated the installation because the detected AMD graphics hardware belongs to one of these unsupported product groups: embedded AMD Radeon graphic, legacy AMD Radeon graphic, customized AMD Radeon graphic for OEM system. So if you have all-in-one PC, for example, and try to download and driver manually, so you have to install the driver from the OEM website first. So for example, you can download the firmware for update your graphic card. Here, the solution for the first one, embedded AMD Radeon graphic. Here, please visit AMD driver and support and choose embedded from the product selector. Here, you can click it, and then you can scroll down, search for graphics, select graphics and Radeon embedded. So you can try to search your graphic card in here. For example, embedded HD series, AMD Radeon HD 5770 embedded, submit. And here we go. This is the driver that you must download and install to update your graphic card. Next, legacy AMD Radeon graphics. So here, if you have a GPU that listed here, this is desktop version and this is the mobile version for your laptop. So you don't have to install or download and install the Adrenaline because of you have to download legacy Radeon graphic. If you install the Adrenaline, you will get error 182. So you can go to AMD driver and support and try to search your graphic and legacy graphics and search your graphic card in here. So this is the legacy driver that you need to install to update your graphic card. And here we go. AMD Radeon HD 4000, 3000, 2000 series and older graphic products also is need legacy hardware, a legacy driver, sorry. And here we go. Like I mentioned before, graphics for OEM system, you need to go to AMD partner and inboard original equipment system button configuration here. Here you can search your OEM or all-in-one PC from Asus, for example, or from MSI to update from their website. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well, click the next button below. See you in the next video.